Hey folks, it's been a while between videos and this is not exactly a seafood video. Well, or is it?
Oh, is
You
this
don't
going
know.
on your seafood channel?
I think it needs to. It's at least food related. I'm just back from Tokyo. Tokyo is the home of weird and wonderful Kit Kat flavors. So I brought back over 20 different flavors for a mutual friend of ours who's you can't be a collector, an enjoyer of Kit Kats. And we stole one from each pack. So Steph and I are going to taste them, see if we can guess what each of the flavors is. Some of them sound pretty crazy. I actually almost forgot it was a few weeks ago. And the last couple that are extra funky, we're gonna go blindfolded. So let's get our first one in and see if we can figure out what it is. Okay. Oh, it's pink. Oh, wow. That's actually better than a normal Kit Kat. Strawberry, red bean? Red bean?
Yeah, is it red bean?
I don't read Japanese, but yes, that looks like strawberry and red bean. Ding, 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 ding. This red game show, we're 1 and 0.
Wow.
Oh, this is a bit more familiar.
Chocolate? No, I'm kidding.
Just a regular ass Kit Kat. Oh. Dark.
Is it orange?
It's like a
It's like a
Jaffa. Dark chocolate and orange. That one's nice.
It's like an orange creamsicle.
I'm gonna
with
finish that
chocolate.
one. Yep.
Oh.
Damn, we're nailing this.
You can read Japanese?
Got an orange on the pack.
What if that's a lemon? Okay.
And it's an orange
Or a
colored lemon.
grapefruit.
Then there's something wrong with our taste buds. Next flavor. Oh, I didn't.
Vanilla.
What?
The hell?
I don't remember buying sour vanilla.
What is that?
Ugh. It tastes like yuzu, but then there's a weird, bitter, funky, like curdled milk taste. That's enough. Yuzu and curdled milk.
I think it's yuzu, but it's not that bad. Just lemony? Yes.
Yuzu and sake.
What?
Shwo?
What?
They got to do the zany, like Japanese style game
the-
show reaction. Bronco.
You like zoom in, like really too close.
Yes, I will do that. Thank you. This one looks like, kind of like that, not milk, like almond milk.
Oh, I was gonna say Yakult.
Oh, it also smells weird. It smells kind of dank.
Oh. It smells like a candle, not like one that you would eat.
What kind of candle do you eat?
Oh, yeah, that's true. It's wax. People eat it.
Actually tastes better than it smells. It's like malty.
Kind of tastes like Pediasure.
What?
It's like that kid's milk.
Pediature.
Pediasure.
You just made that word up.
No, I swear to God. Is that an option?
Well, Japan, they're into some funky stuff. Come on, what is it?
Pediasure.
Chestnut.
What?
Wah, wah.
No way.
I think you have chocolate on your nose, by the way. Well, you're like a professional. You got to cleanse your palate after each taste. I think we might be getting into your favorites by the smell of it.
Hazelnut. Is it matcha?
I think so.
Doesn't look very green.
I know you're a matcha lover, and I think there's more than one matcha flavor. So out of 10, what's your rating on this one? I'm going to give it I have to say, this is such a dumb video because I don't really eat chocolate or like Kit Kats.
What?
I will give that a 5. It's a nice mid-range benchmark.
Not very matcha-y.
Because it's not, well, it's a type of tea. It's tea, but it's not matcha.
Oh.
Can you read that? What kind of tea is it? Oolong tea.
Oh, I love oolong.
Apparently not.
I know.
Oolong cha. That's the wasabi one.
Oh,
I don't like white chocolate generally.
I don't either.
You know, I actually had at a fancy restaurant in Sydney, they had wasabi and green apple sorbet. No, it was good. That pairing. This is a bit.
I don't know. I don't.
I
like
love
it.
wasabi. I don't like that. Maybe a coffee cup. You're ruining my
like-
one shot.
Taro.
Taro.
It's gotta be taro.
Nope. Or bubble
Oh
gum.
shit.
Is it
Grape?
bubble gum? Gotta be taro.
Grape. I love grape. It better be grape.
Smells like grape. It doesn't really taste like grape. Yay! Get just one. That's my one shot. What? Take the little one.
Did you get any normal flavors?
No.
Oh, okay.
What?
So it's
The
not
normal
vanilla.
flavor is just chocolate.
There's chocolate. There's vanilla. There's dark chocolate.
Well, maybe then, I don't know.
Fuck is that? There's no smell.
Is this like strychnine or something? I don't know. Milk?
Soju.
Is it milk?
I don't know. What is that?
The fuck is that?
Yeah, the fuck is that?
Looks like tea. It's got a little. Is it alcohol? I think it's. Is it like whiskey? I think this
Matcha.
is right up your alley. It's so green. I do have different levels of matcha. Not that intense though. By the greenness, I thought it'd be stronger.
Yeah. It's
I'm
got like
gonna give it a 5 as
weird
well.
like little fire like
Katie, try this one.
bitter kick to it.
When you take. Oh! Okay, so
Oh, wait.
so they have different strengths. It only says it on the outside pack, but that's good job. Good job. All right. More. What was the last one? Kind of familiar.
Tastes like vanilla.
I don't like white chocolate.
I don't either.
Cheesecake.
The fuck?
This is not a ringing endorsement. Get your cop out of my one shot! Oh, that is not just chocolate. Oh, what is that?
That doesn't smell very pleasant, honestly.
Tastes okay though. Wait, apple?
Tastes like apple. It's kind of
Are you
weird.
gonna Cookie Monster me? It looks like an apple.
Oh, cookie.
Apple. Nailed it. Oh, this is my year allocation of chocolate.
Banana?
Maybe. Tokyo banana.
Oh,
yeah, girl, that's like some
It's
special
got a
edition.
blue bow.
You gotta eat all of it.
That's a lot of chocolate. How many more do we have? Are we almost done? Can we?
Halfway.
Wait,
Dark chocolate.
I don't really like dark chocolate.
You don't? What's
I
wrong
like
with you?
milk chocolate better.
Oh.
Wow, what's wrong with you? Jeez.
Audience, dark chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate. Where are you? What is this? Chocolate's the best.
I don't know. Yeah, the fuck is this?
Fuck is this?
Is it just dark chocolate?
Oh, just dark
Oh.
chocolate. Boom. There you go.
Wow, I thought you said that there's none of them that are like normal.
Okay, after a quick trip to be sick, we're back. You know what I could do? You know what I feel like?
What?
Another 12 disgusting Kit Kats. Let's do it.
That many?
Oh.
Oh,
Oh, but no, you really like this one. Here, have mine too.
no, why?
Right. If we
It's
hadn't
like
already
a
had
flower. It tastes like a flower. Or, I don't know, I don't like it.
it. Is it sake milk? Milk. What is it? Sake and
I think
milk?
it's sake, yeah. I don't like it.
You just want to like spread chocolate all over my house, you two.
Sorry.
I don't like it. Pop. Mic drop. All right, first impressions. You get the big one. Oh,
Oh, is that like bubble tea or like?
no, it's a nut or something. Hazelnut? No, what was the one we had before? Chestnut. Maybe this is hazelnut?
Nah, this is like a milk tea. It tastes like bubble tea.
Oh, I did, yeah. Maybe you're right.
The fuck is that? What is that saying?
Wow, different languages. It's hard to wrap my head around. Eat it. You like bubble tea.
Too much.
Why are you so afraid of diabetes? Just embrace it.
Oh my god, Tim will kill me.
No, the diabetes will.
No, like
Yes.
Tea. It's a roasted tea. Like rose tea.
Like roast gen mancha.
Yeah.
This is purple.
taro.
Everything purple is taro.
Yeah. Fuck is that?
Mind your language.
What is that?
I guess taro cake, taro tart. The next couple, I think, are visually interesting. And no, as in like they look extra special. So let's blindfold it.
Do we
Okay.
have our hands out? Like, are we feeling on the plate?
Should we just go straight to hand then?
I don't want to knock the plate over.
Don't rock the boat over. I feel like we put these on too soon.
Yeah, I think so too. Now I feel like an idiot.
Do you have your eyes closed in there as well?
Yeah.
It's very relaxing. What, are we going on the plate? Yep.
Is that like mung bean or something? I don't like it.
Me too. Let's have a look. You're right. It is a bit beany. Oh, it's red bean cake. I like red bean. That's not red
The
bean.
other one was so much better. What the heck? Wait, where?
I give it to you.
Wait, what?
Yep.
What are you doing?
What is this? Ew, why is it wet? Ew.
Did you suck this already?
Why is it spicy? Ew, this is so gross. This is not a Kit Kat. What
It's
is
like
it?
matcha.
Ah.
Oh, that has truffle hot sauce on it.
The fuck? Did you just put it on there?
Oh, it's like when you have really cheap toilet paper at a hotel. Except it smells like truffles.
I was like, why does this smell spicy? I licked it and I was like, oh, it's spicy.
That's an amazing story. And there's more, right? Mm-hmm. Again, it feels normal. It smells nice.
Is it watermelon?
Melon. I reckon it's like cantaloupe.
Oh.
They're like $100. A good one in Japan, a cantaloupe can be $100. Hey, that's a $20 Kit Kat. All right, we
Are
should
we
be. No, I think what have we got? 2 more, 3 more?
3 more.
Jesus Christ, there's a lot of Kit Kats. Did you get everything that they had?
That we could. Yeah. Come on, we can do this.
Oh man, I regret eating like the whole ones for the other one. Jeez.
What? Oh, what do we do?
Oh.
Oh, now that's good.
Oh, that is gross.
It's got Vegemite on it.
No!
This video was brought to you by the Australian Tourism Council. Vegemite. How you doing, mate?
Oh.
I'll have yours.
Yes, please.
Can I have the Vegemite jar? You tell me that that Vegemite isn't better than most of the Kit Kats. Racist. Oh, it's fine. It's fine to be racist because we're just Australians, right? Yeah. It's my heritage. Oh, my hand still smells like weird truffles. Are we done yet?
Almost.
My one shot. Get out of my one shot. I can't yell anymore.
Wait,
I
one
think my
more?
heart might stop.
Okay.
Sorry.
Fun.
Sorry. Oh, it's been going downhill.
It started so well. Where is it?
That's what she said.
Where? Here?
Yep.
Wait, I'm gonna
Oh,
touch
this
it.
does feel funky.
What is that?
Kind of like a not chocolatey rocky road. Like it's got like dried cherry or something.
Something like that.
It's the kind that'll get stuck in your teeth.
I think it's
Oh.
like chocolate cherry.
Sheesh, it's fancy. Is that like goji and almond and spices?
At
Natural.
first, the end looked like it was pizza. I was like, what? Did not taste that.
You know what? I think I'm gonna have a break from having Kit Kats. That's my
That's it,
chocolate
right?
adventure
Two
for the
more. That's it.
2 more.
Yeah.
What the fuck you said? Oh, liar!
Is she torturing us? I think she's torturing us.
She's trying to kill me.
Oh boy.
The next flavor is dog shit.
Oh no!
Oh, she's guiding us. There's something happening.
What is this? What the fuck? This is not a Kit Kat. I'm scared. Nah, not again.
Vegemite.
Damn it!
And it's on a chip. You can eat that. Enjoy that.
I already ate the Vegemite part though.
What do you want? Philly cheesesteak or something? Huh? Huh? Racist.
Last one.
I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
Vegemite dog shit.
Please don't be Vegemite. I'll cry.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
Old Faithful. Can I get some Vegemite on mine, please?
Matcha?
Yeah, that one's way matcha-matchery. Is that too
Wow.
matcha-matcha? Is that not a
It's
matcha?
got like a bitter kick to it.
So green.
I literally touched all over this Kit Kat because I was like, I'm not trusting Kate.
So, Chris, I hope you enjoy your Kit Kats and don't share them with me because I'm done. That was A Bad Idea, brought to you by Matt, Steph, and a lack of shame. Cheers.
Bye.